Threads of departure. KuKwaNtuli. Emini zibuya inhlazane around 11ish. The sun has climbed high over the homestead. Birds whistle lazily in the trees and goats shuffle across the courtyard. In the doorway of the main hut, ngenhla uMasithole, broom in hand and one arm on a hip, calls out toward the boy's hut with rising irritation. Mazwake! Must I wear out my voice just to be heard? Why is this boy now? She has clearly been calling for some time. From the boy's hut, Mazwake finally appears, rubbing his eyes and trying to look alert. But before he can even greet her, thud! A Nopkiri whistles past and lands just inches from his feet. From in between the houses strides Ntuli, Mazwake's father. Face stormy, voice thunderous. How long must your mother call before your ears start working when? Is this how you behave in Durban? Ignoring your lecturers like you do us here at home? Huh? Did I raise a boy or a block of wood? Mazwake freezes, caught between shame and uncertainty, unsure whether to face his father or report to his mother. He begins to mumble an apology. Before the scolding can escalate, Masithole steps in, voice lighter, trying to ease the tension. He's probably been caught up in the noise, Baba, with his brother. You know how loud they get when they are together. But you, Mazwake, look what you've caused now. Come here. Tuli grumbles, clearly unsatisfied. You're spoiling these ones, Masithole. Angry at that he missed him with the Nopkiri. Go to your mother and stop this nonsense of sitting on your ears when. He walks away towards the kraal, cows waiting to be milked. Inside the cool shadow of the chief hut, Masithole is kneeling beside a plastic bag stuffed with clothes. She begins to unpack it. Shirts, pants, and second-hand treasures from her brother, Temblers. Each item is lifted high in the air and smoothed out for Mazwake to see. Hey, your uncle says he's proud of you. Says no one in the family has ever made it this far. He called this shirt a real fashion. Told me to tell you to only wear it when you mean it. Said it's what he wore when he was still chasing must be your now aunt. Pair it with these pants, he said. He won't go wrong this one. Mazwake smiles, touched by the gesture, even though some of the clothes are clearly too big for him. That's right, how our parents used to buy us oversized clothes and shirts so they could grow with us. She folds the clothes gentle. Her tone shifts, pride now mingled with a dream. Your uncle said, tell my nephew to come back with electricity for this place. We've only ever heard about it on the radio. Mazwake nods, eyes misty. For the very first ever time, the weight of his journey becomes more than personal. It becomes historic. Just then, Tuli's voice bellows from outside. Release him now. It's milking time. Let him learn. These are the cows he'll need when it's time to pay lobola for some girlfriend. If he even has won this one. Masithole grins and waves him off. Go, your father is right. These cows won't milk themselves. Mazwake heads towards the kraal, but his father's comment about some girlfriend stirs something inside him. He thinks of Zolile, her voice, her face, the promises beneath the umgamazi tree. He's so deep in thought that he fumbles the rope while tying a car. The knot slips, tangles, and nearly trips him. You're thinking about your beds again, huh? Ntuli, this isn't a daydream, boy. It's a kraal. Covered in dusk but quietly smiling to himself. Mazwake kneels beside the cow and begins to milk it. His eyes, however, keep drifting to the ridge beyond, in the direction of Zolile's homestead. Even surrounded by cow and cows, his heart is elsewhere, with a girl under a tree and a future waiting to be written.